Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. So as you have already seen the thumbnail, so today I am here with an exciting opportunity for students or professionals who are looking to upskill themselves in the field of AI and ML, right? So AWS has come up with a unique program called AI and ML Scholarship Program, right? So by this program, you will be able to get a nano degree by Udacity. So they have collaborated with Udacity and you would be able to get free content and free learning completely for free, right? So without wasting much time, I'll be sharing few details about this AI and ML scholarship, and I'll also make sure to drop a link to this website in the description box below. Okay, please check that out and apply as soon as possible. There are only 2500 slots that needs to be filled, right? So this AI and ML scholarship program is in collaboration with the Udacity. This program will aim to help the undeserved or underrepresented high school and college students to learn foundational ML concepts and to prepare them for careers in AI and ML. Every year they offer only 2500 scholarships to the students. Okay, so which you need to apply for. I will be showing how to apply that, right? So the scholarship recipients will receive Udacity Nano Degree Scholarship, mentorship and career development opportunity by opting into scholarship program on AWS DeepRacer Students, right? So there is a separate website called AWS DeepRacer Student. This is the website. This is how it looks. You can enroll it for free, right? If you see here, get started for free, you just need to click on it and provide some details about you and your university. Then you will be able to enroll in for AI and ML scholarship program. Now, so the application is open right now. If you see here, the application is open. First you need to qualify for this. First you need to create an account here in AWS DeepRacer, as I told you. So then you can complete the application and then you can start learning or kickstart your learning in the AI and ML scholarship if you get enrolled, right? So these are the features and benefits that it is offering. You can learn ML faster with AWS DeepRacer Student. So DeepRacer Student is an all new free service for students over the age of 16 enrolled in high school and higher education institutions around the globe, right? Basically, you will be getting access to 20 hours of AWS ML and AI content, right? So you would receive 10 hours of model training, and this is important, 5 GB of storage per month freely, completely free for you to use, right? And also you can take part in AWS DeepRacer Student League, which is a competition that will be hosted exclusively for students across the globe, right? So don't miss out this opportunity. You can fast track your career opportunities with a scholarship. This program is worth 4,000 US dollars, guys. So do not ever miss this opportunity, right? And also 500 of the top performing students in the first Udacity Nano Degree program can earn a second more advanced Udacity Nano Degree in deep learning and ML engineering concept. So this is very important. Try to complete or try to compete to be in top 500 so that you can also get another nano degree program completely for free. Next, you would be receiving mentorship from the AWS ML expert, right? So there will be monthly sessions for you to by the name Ask Me Anything. You can attend that, and if you have any queries, you can ask them directly. Now you might ask me how to get started. First, as I told you, you need to open up an account in AWS DeepRacer. I'll make sure to drop the link to both AWS DeepRacer and AI ML scholarship application in the description box below. Check that out, right? So first sign up for DeepRacer Student and opt into AWS AI and ML scholarship program. So there are currently over 20 hours of free content available for you to start learning. You can directly get started by learning 20 hours of content. Then So you can track your progress to complete the application prerequisites while you learn, practice, and participate with AWS DeepRacer Student. Last step would be to submit your application on Udacity using a unique code. You will get a code actually, so you need to submit that when you are applying for this, right? So the timeline is as follows. The start time is all the scholarship timeline is as follows, and it is already started, right? So this is for 2023 summer program. So from 1st of February, so the prerequisite courses is already available. You can go and complete that videos or content first to unlock your unique code and finish the application. You need to do that first, and by May 31st, 2023, so that would be your last date to submit your application for summer cohort. So 1000 students will be selected to receive a scholarship to 2023 summer program. So you need to keep this in mind. By June 14th, 2023, the scholarship nano degree program AI programming with Python begins. Right? So these are some of the timelines or some of the key points that you need to know before enrolling into AI ML scholarship program. If you have questions, right, so you can look for that in the frequently asked questions, or you can also post your questions online, right? So I think it would be a great opportunity to get started in the field of AI and ML. So this is a great learning experience also. Even I am trying to apply for this program, so you can also apply and learn along the way, right? So I'm just sharing whatever the things that I come across in my day-to-day life so that you can also get benefited by that. So if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.